that we need to fill in here. There are a couple of random bits. No, yeah. This is the
Is that from the just wear and tear when they walk?
No. This is the. So you've got 100 metres of road up, 20 metres of chain. How do you get the chain up? We didn't have. I hadn't actually crossed my mind. So yeah, that's the chain. So that's something else. An idea. When you're hauling it up.
Oh, good.
Secret spot! Yeah, how do you get to this place?
You start shouting to everyone.
A couple of weeks to get to this. Just paddle out.
They weren't as good as I thought they were going to be. You can put your gym on one side of it, and on the other side you need the details.
Yep.
Because the people are going to want to know at the boat show is how do we follow you?
Yep.
They've got a website. When the people are rowing, you can have this open.
Yep.
So there's no rough weather. Have this open. How would it be better would have been to have two people qualified as I was, so that you had one in each shift.
But I think as part of our race, we have to do that, don't we, Tracy?
Yeah, we have to do.
Well, it's a lightweight fours. Because it's shorter than the others, so it's lighter weight.
It's not that, I mean...
It's 300 kilos. Fishing four, fully kitted, nearer to a ton.
Wow.
The food's quite heavy.